Hey there, today we're gonna clean up the medicine garden. If you want to see more medicine garden videos, check the links below. Alright, here's the update on these dandelions. They are hitting the second story, trying to grow through my deck. Looking like that. This one, that was in shade. Here. This one, some full sun. You can see it better in my shadow. Oh, my shadow. Oh, there it is. Alright. So, this forest of dandelions, all coming from one trial dandelion that I planted in that basket up there last year. I had never grown dandelion by seed before. I wanted to see how big it got, and it got 3 feet tall in 3 inches of soil, so I guess I shouldn't be surprised that given sandy soil as deep as they want to get, they get 8 feet tall. But today we're gonna harvest them and dig out their roots and see how deep they go, I guess. Just get this area cleaned out.
Jeez. Yeah?
Maybe.
There you go. I don't see a chapter there.
That is big of a root as I was expecting. She's holding on to this. Taproot's about 8 inches, so about an inch to the foot, I guess.
Crazy.
Alright, so we just basically weeded everything out, cut down a few things. Just looks a little cleaner. Can actually see my weeping birch. Oh, it's so pretty. And yeah, it's just cleaned out. We've got all the weeds that we don't want out of there. And we got out the dandelions, and they were a bit of a disappointment. As tall as they were, their root systems just aren't that robust, in my opinion. But I don't know. Never grown them from seed before to see how big of a difference. But anyway, this area looks beautiful now, so that's good. And our Ajaga is starting to take over, so that's exciting, because anywhere I could have living ground cover, I'll take it. And the rest of it, fairly simple project. It was just time to do it. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you in the next video.